protects me from the fire and the heat because it gets very hot.
Those are heavy boots, right?
They're very heavy boots.
Do you like the fire?
Yes, I do. See, we pull up our pants.
Sometimes fire will get big.
Oh, yeah. See, there's a lot of layers already. Look how thick this is. I'll put it for everybody. Look how thick that is.
So you can get me your firehouse. I have that here at home.
You do? Wonderful.
I don't have it. It's cool. Gloves. What's in
Ready,
there?
get gloves.
Look how easy it is for him to get dressed though.
Oh, yeah. This only takes about 30 seconds to
The
put on
Velcro and the hose.
when there's an emergency. I'm doing it slow for you guys, so you guys can see actually how much stuff there is. It feels nice during the winter time. It's very hot during the summer. Doesn't quite freeze that well.
That's a friendly monster.
Not yet. Wait. You have to wait. I'll grab my air. The reason why I'm getting dressed up like this is because if there is a fire and you're stuck, don't ever hide, okay? Try and I'm gonna come find you somehow, okay? Don't hide. And don't be afraid either. That's why they call it a friendly monster. You guys hear that? That's the pack. If I get stuck, I can press a button and somebody will come to me. It's a very loud noise. You hear that?
Yeah. Even I can't cover my ears. They don't cover mine. What is that noise? That was strong. Can somebody tell? If you say that, you don't look like that. Oh, is that air? Your other glove.
That's okay. Now see? Do I look like a monster?
No.
Well, I probably will.
Yes, you're a friendly monster.
Once you do it, I'm here to help you, okay?
Can you breathe?
Can
Yes, you
you
can.
hear me breathing?
Yes.
That's air. So if it's smoky out here, I'm just breathing this air.
What's coming out? What's that?
Casey, go stand with your dad a minute. Look at your dad. Come on up, buddy. Ready? Smile. Perfect.
You guys scared?
You friendly.
You're not scared? Yeah, that's right.
I'm not scared.
Friendly.
You're friendly. That's why I see your eyes.
Yep.
They're not scared. Did that hurt you?
No, feels quite comfortable.
Why did you take that off?
Well, I don't need to breathe air because
Now I
there's no
see,
smoke.
now I see your teeth.
And we're done
Hey,
with our demonstration.
So what do you say, Mr. McDonald?
Thank you guys so much for coming by. We were waiting for this for a long time. I wanted to see you guys and show you guys the firehouse.
You were,
Yeah.
Well, you girls, I told you back at school last